Home HVAC Services provides professional AC tune-up services in West Chester to help homeowners keep their cooling systems running efficiently and reliably throughout the warmer months. Our experienced technicians inspect, clean, and adjust key air conditioning components, including filters, coils, thermostats, refrigerant levels, and electrical connections to improve system performance and energy efficiency. If you have any questions, contact our AC tune-up team. Are you looking for an AC tune-up near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services. Is an AC tune-up necessary for newer systems? Yes. Even newer air conditioning systems benefit from regular maintenance to maintain peak performance, prevent early wear, and help protect manufacturer warranties. Will an AC tune-up prevent all repairs? While regular maintenance greatly reduces the chance of major problems, it cannot guarantee that repairs will never be needed. However, tune-ups help catch small issues before they become larger and more expensive. What is your service area for the West Chester, Pennsylvania service office? Our AC tune-up have served West Chester, Chester Springs, Lionville, Eagleview, Eagle, Exton, Ackworth, Downingtown, Fisherville, Thorndale, Woodward's Corner, Marshallton, Windon, Malvern Hunt, Yellow Springs, Westtown Acres, Westtown Park, Allegiance, Ashwell, Pennsylvania. Where is your West Chester, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 831 West Chester Pike, West Chester, Pennsylvania 19382. Our phone number is 484-573-7551. Visit our website, www.homehvacservices.com.